It's your girl Jazzy. Hi! Welcome back, guys. And if you are new, hello! Don't forget, before we get started, to like, comment, and subscribe so you never missed another video post from me. Alright guys, it's getting colder, it's getting chillier outside, and I know us real hardcore cosplayers love to cosplay all year long. Typically this list would be amazing for those going to winter cons, but because of Corona, that's not happening. So here's just an awesome list for you to just, cosplay with your friends. Wintertime is coming, and that means it's getting a little colder outside. So we might need to rearrange some of our cosplays. Well, lucky for you, I have a list of 5 awesome wintertime cosplays that you can do. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first cosplay is going to be Tinkerbell and the Wintertime Fairies. I actually had some friends who did this cosplay before and they looked so cute, and I was like, this is brilliant. It's brilliant because the cosplays are made to be able to be worn in winter. You can wear tights, you'll be way more comfortable walking around, or at least being outside taking pictures in this for like an hour than you would be if you were in something that wasn't as comfortable. I also love it because there's a lot of diversity in the Tinkerbell fairies. So you can go with the fairy that you most resonate with, and sorry, my cat's down there, that you most resonate with. And that is honestly a great way to show your personality, be a character, and keep warm. Another very common cosplay that I see a lot is Belle from Belle's Enchanted Christmas, Beauty and the Beast. Her beautiful red cloak, that whole outfit is iconic, and it's a winter cosplay go-to for a lot of people. I love it. I liked Beauty and the Beast a lot as a kid. Belle's Enchanted Christmas is one of my favorite movies. So 100% is a cosplay that I've been always wanting to do. Hopefully I get to do this year, but I definitely suggest it. Another one that's gonna get real popular this winter is Princess Yue from Avatar. And that's because Avatar got put on Netflix and everybody's watching it. And also because Princess Yue is just like beauty personified, gorgeous. She's everything. Plus, everybody's favorite line is, "My ex-girlfriend turned into the moon." That's rough, buddy. Yeah, if you're an Avatar fan, you know. It's literally on my imaginary dream cosplay list of the list of ones that I will do one day, just haven't done yet. She's on that list. Let me know if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial for that, because I got you. Our next cosplay is Cindy Lou Who. Yes, I love the Cindy Lou Who cosplays around this time of year. You guys are so cute. And the way that you can do Cindy Lou is so amazing. You can literally take the idea, as long as you have the iconic hair, you can just go mad with the dress and the makeup and just be super your own personality into it, which I absolutely love. I've seen a lot of people do some really fantastic Cindy Lou Who cosplays. I love seeing them, so definitely add it to your list. Even if you're just a makeup artist, that would be something really cool to see on your Instagram, so add it to your list. Let me know which cosplay look is your favorite off of this list, or if you have some other ideas or suggestions. I would love to see that in the comments below. Our next wintertime cosplay is Let It Go, Let It Go. Yeah, it's Elsa. Elsa's winter dress is iconic, and it is so great for wintertime photos, guys. Seriously, you could do Frozen 1, her spirit dress from Frozen 2. So good for wintertime photos. I cannot express it. It's beautiful. I've seen it. I've done Elsa. Insert clip here. Yeah, that's me. As Elsa. But you definitely go try Elsa as a cosplay this wintertime if you haven't already done her. You do not need to be a blonde-haired, blue-eyed white girl to do Elsa. I've seen some fantastic Elsa renditions coming from all different types of people, men, women, women of color. It's been gorgeous. It's been amazing. I'm 100% here for it. The final look that you can do this winter on my winter cosplay list is Khaleesi. Yes, like iconic. 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 Seriously, iconic. Seriously. Her looks are so amazing. If you want something really regal, really gorgeous, and that everyone will know, she's a highly requested cosplay because there's so many different ways to do it, and I've seen a lot of people do it around winter time because it's a lot of layers. So definitely add it to your winter cosplay list. So there you have it. There are your winter cosplays. That's the list, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me which cosplay off this list was your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I totally am happy to see you. More videos are coming soon. See you guys Monday with the next video, but hey, if you're still craving some more, I got some videos right there. Go check those out. See you next time. Bye.